This evening in primetime news, leave while they investigate. Acting Permanent Secretary sent on leave amidst probe into questionable transfer of millions of dollars from the Education Ministry. Stalled vax mandate, NCB Group staff COVID-19 vaccine ultimatum faces backlash. And later, deep in garbage. NSWMA says collection backlog could continue for several months.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, what are your views on companies requiring workers who opt not to take the COVID-19 vaccine to be tested weekly at their own expense? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.